Hello again, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to repair CASIO keyboard model CTK-6300IN. As you will see in this video, there are two keys which is not working. First of all, you clean the pressure rubber. After you have cleaning the pressure rubber, then you check the circuit board. Let's check for some dry solder on the circuit board and resolder it again. Now here we need to check this point, which is 2 points from the top and 2 points from the bottom, and we need to check the voltage here. The voltage should be around 3.5 till 4 volt. This line here is going straight to the motherboard, and if the line breaks, you won't be having any voltage. The line at this point is good and is connecting till this point. And from this point, we have an onboard carbon resistant. On this point, we have no closed circuit here, which means the line has broken. As you have seen, this resistance here acts as a jumper, which joins the line between point A and point B. The line has broken here, but before soldering, we must scratch that black carbon resistance, point A and point B, in order to hold the soldering joint, like so. Now we have made a soldering joint point to solder the line which has broken. In this case, we will use a thin strip of wire. And now we have a closed circuit here. When testing point A and point B of this carbon resistance, the value is so high and it's abnormal. It's showing 50K. Let's try and check. Still we don't have sound on this key. And now we will scratch on point B of this carbon resistance and replace it with a new resistance. Now that we have finished soldering on both points A and B, let's fit the resistor here. In this case, I have connect a 56 ohms resistance here. As you can see now, it's working fine. And now let's move on to the next key. And this one here also you have to do the same. And now we will check the voltage, 3.5 volt. Next we have 3.5 volt, and next, which is the defective key, we have only 0.3 volt. Next we have 3.7, 3.6, but only this one is showing very less voltage. This one also same here. We have to join with another resistor on top of this black carbon resistor. And to know the resistance value, let's check the other resistance, which is in good condition. As you have seen here, it's showing 123 ohms. Since I don't have exact value, 123 ohms, in this case I will connect with 150 ohms resistor. And now let's check the voltage. Yes, we do have 3.7 volt now. That means it's working. Let's fit this rubber back. Now the keyboard is working fine. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos update.